We will see some plots in R. So first hour we'll start with some of the basics plots. Let's make a variable sales and we will just try to add the sales in a week. So, so let's count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more we require. So let's make it this. So to get a bar plot, you have to just pass this as an argument as a means like the function which we are using is we call as a bar plot of sales. So this is the sales and this is the frequency and this is what we call it as bar plot, or you can call this as bar chart. Let's add some extra parameters to this, so we'll add more detailing to our plot. So let's do that. Let's do this. So bar plot, let's put our data over here. So let's do sales comma. So our heading which we call it as, we have to add the argument as main over here. So main will be our heading. So let's add sales in a week. So add a comma. So whenever you pass some another arguments, you are required to add a comma. Then what I want over here is like x means like I want to name my x axis and y axis also. So let's do this. Let's add x lab as days. Then our y lab as sales. Put a comma again. Then we are using one more argument over there. We call it as names dot arg equals to. So names dot arg is used for naming each bar or each column to define colors and also. Let's do this. So we'll pass this in a concatenate operator. So let's do this. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's put a comma. Let's put this as Sunday. So these are the name of the days in the week. Then if you want to add some color, so you can just pass color as the argument and let's put the color as red. If you wish to change the color, you can change that. And horizontal equals to false. So let's do this. So it will make a vertical graph and not the horizontal one. So let's try to hit Control Enter. Okay. So this is your days, and this is the sales in a week. If you try to do this, hmm, so if you try to do horizontal equals to true, then it will plot. It will just change the orientation of your graph. Let's do this. Okay. So that's it, but there's one problem over here. Whenever try to make horizontal equals to true, make sure you guys change your X lab and Y lab. So let's do this, Control Z over here, then we'll try to change that. So this is the original one, and let's just copy this entire plot, and let's do this, paste over here. Let's add a comment. Okay, so H. So instead of false, let's make it as true. So this is going to be changed now. So this will be your Y lab, and this is going to be your X lab, because we have changed this orientation. So this name will change, right? So yeah. So that's it, guys. If you find that all the names are not coming over here, it's better you can just zoom this. So everything is fine. And if you wish to export, you can just save the images as a PDF. So save it as image or save it as PDF. You guys can do it. And if you don't like this red color, you can change color. So we have n number of colors in R. So you can change that into orange. Then we have tomato. Then I think so there must be some color like cyan. Let's see. I don't know all the name of the colors. So if there is color which is not available, then I don't think so it will plot. Let's do this. This color is not going to be available. Let's see this. So it says invalid color name burgundy. So if there is any color which is not available in R, so it won't plot this. Let's do this also. If this is available, okay, sky blue is available. So this is how you can change the colors while making some plots.